Craig, what are your thoughts as experiences on how AI image editing versus video gen is going to change the future of ecom? AI image editing and video generation has already changed the future, like it changed the current of ecom, and it has for the past year, 2 years really. Basically, it kind of means, it doesn't really change ecom in any way, to be honest. Actually, no, it does. I suppose it makes it easier to make content, so then the barrier to entry for beginners to come in and have great content is getting lower and lower and lower. So it's a lot easier to produce great photos and great video content. I would also say that videographers and photographers are fucked to some regard, and they essentially, they're going to become kind of obsolete pretty soon, for the most part, for most of them anyways. If not, most of them are kind of already obsolete. I know some that have actually lost their jobs because of it. So, I don't know, I think it makes it better for beginners. Yeah, I think it makes it better for beginners. But realistically, because everyone has access to the same tools, in like a couple of years' time, everyone's gonna know how to use it. So like, it's not really gonna do a drastic difference. And to be honest, I don't think it drastically changes anything anyways. Maybe when AI understands like a lot of nuance and stuff, about like what makes the best creative and like these kind of things that can do video really well, then it'll change a lot of different things, because you can just make so many creatives en masse. But I don't think right now, like, yeah, maybe in the future, like it'll just make the barrier to entry for like beginners easier to make great content. But then everyone will have access to it, so then it won't really make the barrier to entry much easier. But yeah, I don't think it'll change drastically anything. I mean, it will, but it won't really. There's no benefit to it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like, yeah, it's like everyone has a car, so like, car's not really like a special piece of technology. Whereas if you had a horse, and then like one guy has a car, that guy's sick. He can go way faster. He's way better. But then everyone gets cars, and then cars are just the standard and just the norm, you know. And the same thing happened when everyone got horses, you know, like. If you had a fucking horse, you're a big G, you're sick, and you can go way further. You can do more trade with different people. But then everyone got horses, and then you're kind of chill, you know. It levels out, it flattens out, you know. It's the same way with everything, with technology as we adapt to it and stuff.